There are several options when it comes to roof materials. All of the materials have their advantages and disadvantages when it comes to usage. For asphalt materials for your roofing, it is the most common roofing material in North America, because of its characteristic of being extremely cost-effective. If you decided to install or replace your roof with asphalt, you may want to consider the pros and cons of these materials. The following will help you determine the benefit and drawbacks of using asphalt for your roofs. Pros. Affordable. Probably the main reason why asphalt shingles are so popular is that they are the most affordable roofing materials, making them an excellent option for homeowners on a budget. If installed properly, these materials will protect your home for about 12 to 17 years. Although asphalt shingles may be a short-term fix compared to other materials like Spanish tile, which can last up to 70 years, the inexpensive asphalt often outweighs long-term shelter. Effective. While not as durable and long-lasting as other roofing materials, asphalt shingles provide sufficient protection for every home, with its adequate protection next to being a budget-friendly price. Most people find it is the most cost-effective option. Variety of colors and styles. Curb appeal is important, especially if you ever decided to sell your house in the market. Asphalt shingles are visually flexible. There are two types of asphalt people can choose from: organic and fiberglass. Both of them are coats that make them water resistant. This means that they can match in a wide variety of homes. Easy installation. Another thing about asphalt shingles is because they are lightweight and easy to cut. They are relatively easy to install and as well as easy to tear down. It won't take long to install and can quickly be put up for at least 1 to 2 days. Cons. Not wind resistant. The cheaper version of asphalt shingles are vulnerable to strong winds, which can tend to detach and uplift, making your home prone to leaks. Easy to crack shingle. Because of how lightweight they are, asphalt shingles can easily crack, especially if they are extremely exposed to temperature fluctuations. Exposure to extreme temperature fluctuations makes the shingles expand and contract, which may result in cracks. A high temperature heat can also result in cracks on your shingles. Can't be installed at a freezing temperature. Usually, installing asphalt shingles requires a warmer temperature. It is not a good idea to install your shingle at a freezing temperature, especially in winter. This may cause the shingle to damage during installation. Lifespan. Although it is relatively cheap, lighter, and more prone to damage and crack, asphalt shingles simply don't last long, unlike other roofing materials. Not environmentally friendly. Asphalt shingles consist of a semi-solid form of petroleum. Also, the manufacturing of shingles wastes a lot of energy that produces greenhouse gas emissions. These are the pros and cons of using asphalt for your roof. When choosing this material, make sure to keep that in mind, the advantage and disadvantage when comparing and choosing other options. This will help you in your decision-making, as there are numerous options to choose from. Asphalt shingles are popular for many people because of their relatively cheap price and adequate protection, making them the most valuable investment for every homeowner. If you choose our team, Rancho Cordova Roofing Services, we work with top asphalt shingle roofing manufacturing. Contact our office to set an appointment or visit our website to expand your knowledge of other roofing materials we work on.